Hello friend, welcome to Entry app. My name is Akash Shukla, your educator at Entry. So guys, SBI PO 2021 20th November shift 4 is over now. Students started giving reviews. They are now out of the examination also. Let us see what was there in the examination. What changes we observed in shift 4 and what can be your best attempt section wise and the overall. So let us discuss guys. Talking about first of all the quantitative aptitude section guys, simplification approximation we saw this time. Yes guys, 4 to 5 questions from approximation. Quadratic equation 5 questions. Quadratic equation questions are being asked very easy in the examination. Arithmetic 10 to 12 question. Data interpretation guys, line graph 5 question and 5 question from this time we saw mix DI pi plus table base and moderate question guys. Moderate questions were there based on this because student took time to in reading the question. सॉल्व करने की तो बात अलग है, रीडिंग करने में बच्चों ने टाइम लिया तो वो वो मॉडरेट लेवल का था. टेबुलर बेस्ड ये 5 क्वेश्चन. टॉकिंग अबाउट दी बेस्ट अटेम्प्ट अगेन गाइस 22 to 25 यही चलता आ रहा है आपका बेस्ट अटेम्प्ट. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाट वाज देयर इन द रीजनिंग एबिलिटी. 5 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम चाइनीज कोडिंग डिकोडिंग एंड 3 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ब्लड रिलेशन, 1 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम मीनिंगफुल वर्ड एंड 2 to 3 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द मिसलेनियस, लाइक स्मॉल क्वेश्चन थे. And now talking about the puzzle and sitting arrangement, flat and floor based with variable guys 5 question we saw. Square based sitting arrangement 5 question, this was very easy. Product purchase based 5 question with 8 members, easy. Year based 6 months as 6 candies or toffees were given 5 question, and guys order ranking 3 questions were there. Yeah, order ranking questions were also there. Talking about the the best attempt again guys, 22 to 26 was the best attempt, the excellent attempt I have to say in the reasoning ability section. Now guys, let us see what was there in your English language section. Guys, 4 to 5 questions. Spotting error. Spotting error in the SBI PO 2021 is bit different as compared to SBI clerk, because this time we are seeing ki you have A, B, C, D, E 5 sentences in terms of the option, and you have to find the correct or incorrect sentence. So this time we need to find the incorrect sentence. 3 questions from the sentence improvement guys, and 7 to 8 questions from the closed test. Reading comprehension 7 to 8 question. Census based, yes, some student have encountered with different paper and they have different reading comprehension based, like economy based, economy of the two different country, but this is the paper different from that. Match the column guys, 3 question. Again guys, English language section guys, 20 to 22 was the best attempt. If I will consider all the attempts or all the shift, so guys I will make a separate video on that ki what must be your best attempt for 20th November examination and what will be the overall analysis. So guys, stay tuned for that analysis. This is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the examination guys. Please don't forget to share with me ki what was your attempt, your accuracy in the examination. Thank you very much guys. Keep watching Entry.